My name is Dimitri Maxim, and I live in Carlisle, Massachusetts, about 20 miles west of Boston. I am in 8th grade at the Carlisle Middle School, and I live with my sister Cassandra, my parents, and my dog Philu. Have you ever wondered how to keep your feet warm on cold New England winter nights? Ever since I started ski racing at age 7, my parents told me to wear wool socks when skiing. I assumed that I wore wool socks because they were warmer. I also noticed that when I wore cotton socks around the house, my feet often stayed warm. This puzzled me. Were cotton socks warmer, or were the wool socks warmer? I was just wearing them in a more extreme environment. So for my Google Science Fair project 2012, I decided to test whether wool socks really are warmer than cotton socks. I titled my project, Cold Feet, the Insulating Abilities of Wool and Cotton. My hypothesis is that the wool sock will be warmer than the cotton sock, and is therefore a warmer material for socks. I will now briefly show you the design of my experiment. My manipulated variable, or independent variable, was a type of sock, wool or cotton. This will be the only variable I change. My control will be the glass cup with no sock around it. My dependent variable will be atomic motion of the molecules in the water, or temperature. I measured this in degrees Celsius. The water on the wool and cotton socks represents sweat. I used 2 tablespoons of water because that is about how much I sweat in a day of skiing. The data show that my original hypothesis was correct. Wool is a better insulator than wet than cotton, meaning that I should continue to heed my parents' advice and wear wool socks when skiing on cold New England days. Thank you very much for considering my project for the Google Science Fair. I had a lot of fun participating in it, and I hope you consider my project. Thank you.